Wow! Guys, look! Such a big lobster. It should weigh around 5 or 6 pounds. Let's take it home. These are 2 large octopuses caught last night. They should weigh about 5 or 6 pounds. Xiaoli grilled them for breakfast today. Brothers, because small animals often disturb us at night, making it difficult for Xiaoli and me to rest, I've decided to rebuild this shelter. Naruko, the octopus is grilled. This round is almost done. The weather is nice today. Let's hurry up and eat. After eating, we'll go diving and try our luck. Then, and after eating, we'll go diving. This time we are diving in a reef area, which hides many shells and also has big ones, frequently appearing. Look, right after diving, near the reef, I discovered a shell with some barnacles attached. When I collected the scallop and surfaced, I saw a sea urchin not far away. Then, near the coral, I found a relatively small leaf snail. At this moment, a butterfly fish also entered our sight. Because it was close, it was easily caught. I thought today's harvest would end here, but on the way back, I unexpectedly discovered a super large lobster on the reef's rock wall. Brothers, look! Such a big lobster! It must weigh about 5 or 6 pounds. Let's take it home. Brothers, look! Today's catch. Wow, seems like we did not miss anything. Today's catch is very rich. 1 scallop, 1 moon snail, and 1 small fish. Hang number 1. Hang number 1. Here's a sea urchin too. And most importantly, such a big one. Wow, a lobster. Let's take it back, grill it over the fire, and prepare dinner. Guys, we've already prepared this big lobster. Now we're going to grill it. Brothers, our lobsters are already grilled. Look at this meat. It's especially plump. Let's begin now. This meat is so plump. It's all meat. Look. Brother, after we finished eating, my mom also took apart the honeycomb she gave me.